Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use progress bar shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of progress bar shortcode. Progress bar are a pretty important part of any website. Using it you can show your skills and expertise level. So first of all, log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on progress bar shortcode. You can see progress bar settings and pop up here. POFO provide 3 different progress bar styles. You can check its front-end look with image preview. Let me show you each different style preview. Let me go with progress bar style 1. You can enter thickness of bar using this option. Let me enter 5 pixel here. Default color of progress bar. You can see gray is default color in this example. Let me select orange as default color. Progress color of progress bar. You can see dark gray is progress color in this example. Let me select red as default progress bar color. Title text case. You can set title case to uppercase, lowercase or capitalize. Bars tab. This is a main tab where you can enter your different skills and progress bar level. You can enter title here. Let me add one skill like design and value 80%. You can click on plus icon to enter new skill, or you can use this option to clone existing skill. Let me clone and enter other 3 different skills data. Now we have added 4 different skills. Typography tab. Here you can manage typography of title element. You can manage font size, line height, letter spacing, font weight, set element tag H1, H2, etc. Italic font on-off, change font color, font underline on-off. Suppose you have entered big font size like 50 pixel, then in all devices client name will display with 50 pixel font size. So if you want to use a responsive font in smaller devices, then you can switch on this option. Go to Extra tab. This is element id. You can assign unique id to your element, then extra class name. You can add CSS class name here and then write custom CSS for this row. You can add custom CSS code in Appearance Customize panel, or you can add custom CSS code in Child Theme style file also. Let me save changes and preview it. Wow, it's look awesome with entered information. You can see all 4 progress bar with different skills. Now let me go back to General tab and select Style 2. Save changes and preview it. It is flat style. Let me select Style 3. You will have one more option to set gradient color. Let me select green color as gradient color. Save changes and preview it. You can see green gradient color here. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.